Hello everyone. I wanted to come today on here and show y'all what I got. I was in a swap and I've put the video up of my embellishment box that I sent out on the outgoing Happy Mail. So I wanted to come today and show you what I received. And Cheri was my swap partner off of Swapper's Corner Facebook group. And this is the beautiful box that I received back from her, and trying to get the light to where you can see how pretty and sparkly. It is so sparkly. She stickled up everything. All the beautiful roses, and this flower here I think she made, I'm not sure, but everything is so shabby and pretty. And on the inside there's more shabby prettiness. I'm going to start in this pocket over here. She put a little flower on top, and underneath is some of this pretty rosette lace ribbon that she put in. And I'm good at taking it out, but I'm not very good at putting it back in. The next pocket, she has some pretty lace rolled up with a bow around it. I love this lace. It is so pretty. I can't wait to use some of this, all of it actually. And there's some pearls here. And then over here we have another very sparkly flower. And another roll of the rosette trim. I didn't have any this size. I'm so glad I have some now. And then up here are some wood pieces, some wood flowers. Pretty roses. Beautiful. And then in the next pocket we have some pretty shabby colored buttons. I'm not going to take them out, I'll mess them all up. So pretty. Thank you, Cheri. Thank you so much. In this pocket there is a key. I love this key. I love the bow she put on it as well. And some stickers. Some pretty flower stickers. And this one, and this one, and this one, and two of these, and they are adhesive. I love that. I can't wait to make some cards. I'm ready to make some cards now. Up here in this little pocket is some pretty pearls. And a vintage photo. That reminds me of a picture I have of my mother and father. And then some of these real pretty little keys that she's put on a paper clip. I would have never thought of that. I like that idea. I think I may have to steal that idea, Cheri. And then we have another really pretty, very sparkly rose. I wish the camera picked up the sparkles, because it is just so sparkly. I love it. And then in this pocket are some clothespins that she's altered, and a paper clip. Here's the paper clip. Oh, you can see the sparkles. See how pretty. And then we have this paper clip with the sparkles, and this one. It's real sparkly too. I wish it picked up better because they're so pretty. I've been watching videos on YouTube for a while now, watching everyone else, and everyone's been saying how sparkly things are, and I really didn't realize how sparkly they could be until you get one in person. And then there's some more really pretty stickers in here. Live and love, and a little tag, sweet memory, and make each day unforgettable. And I just love everything in here. I thank you so much, Cheri. I can't wait to make some cards and use all this on it. So thank you very much, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and share and subscribe. I have some pretty exciting stuff coming up. So subscribe so you'll be notified. And again, thank you, Cheri. Bye, y'all.